These Rheinmetall trucks are not currently in service with the US Army. However, the US Army is planning to purchase up to 40,000 of these heavy-duty military trucks in the near future. Welcome inside this restricted Rheinmetall manned military vehicle factory, where some of the world's most advanced tactical trucks are built. Today, you'll see the full production process of the powerful HX-81 tactical military truck. The manufacturing of tactical military trucks begins with precision welding of the heavy-duty chassis frame, which forms the backbone of the entire vehicle. This is the production process of the MAN HX-81 Elephant. It has been in continuous production since 2018, and hundreds of units of this model have already been built and delivered. The HX family is a range of purpose-designed tactical military trucks manufactured by Rheinmetall MAN military vehicles. The RMMV HX range of tactical trucks has been in production since 2007 and has proven itself in demanding military environment. Since its introduction, the HX family has produced more than 20,000 vehicles in various configurations. Once the chassis is fully assembled, it is moved into a specialized paint facility, where it undergoes a multi-stage surface treatment process. The painting is done manually, and before that, the chassis is sprayed with a high-quality anti-corrosion coating to ensure long-term durability. Workers at the Rheinmetall factory wear protective uniforms and specialized respiratory masks to meet strict safety standards. More than 4,000 military trucks from the HX family have been delivered to the German armed forces since 2018, significantly strengthening their logistical and operational capabilities. These vehicles are used for a wide range of military tasks, including troop transport, equipment hauling, and support missions in both domestic and international operations. Most of these military tactical trucks are produced in a standard military green color. The second most commonly ordered color scheme is military desert camouflage. Finally, workers mount 8 massive heavy-duty wheels onto the chassis, completing this key stage of the assembly process. Under the terms of the joint venture agreement, Rheinmetall held a controlling stake of 51% in the new company, while MAN owned the remaining 49%. Next to this Austrian factory is a massive warehouse that stores all of the parts used to build HX-81 trucks. This logistics center ensures that every component, from the smallest bolt to major drivetrain parts, is available exactly when needed during production. The demands placed on military trucks are extreme. These vehicles must be able to operate reliably in harsh environments, from freezing cold and heavy snow to intense heat, dust, and sand. The interior of the HX-81 is now being carefully prepared, with wiring, insulation, and interior systems installed to meet military standards for durability and safety. The entire production process works like a giant jigsaw puzzle. Each truck is made up of thousands of individual components that must fit together with precision. The truck cab and the chassis are assembled separately to streamline the manufacturing process and improve quality control. This is the area where welded truck cab frames are stored, ready for the next stages of assembly. Before the final paint is applied, the cab is sealed and polished to ensure long-term corrosion protection and a high-quality finish. MAN is now part of the Volkswagen-owned Traton Group, alongside well-known brands such as Scania and International Motors, giving the company access to global engineering and manufacturing expertise. Before production even begins, every truck is digitally designed and modeled in detail using advanced computer systems. This allows engineers to test the design virtually and identify potential improvements early. Both manual and automated machine welding are used to process steel parts, combining skilled craftsmanship with modern industrial precision. In addition to internal model designations, each truck also has a technical designation system that closely matches MAN's commercial truck lineup, making it easier to standardize parts and maintenance procedures. The HX81 is an 8x8 tractor-truck. It features a 4-seat driver's cab that can accommodate a driver and 3 additional crew members. It has an impressive gross combined weight rating of up to 286,600 pounds, allowing it to haul extremely heavy military loads in the most demanding conditions. Payload capacity varies depending on the truck's role and configuration. For rigid frame versions, the actual maximum payload on the chassis typically ranges from about 17,600 pounds to 66,000 pounds, depending on how the vehicle is equipped. In some cases, especially when using single-tire axles, the gross vehicle weight can be limited to meet operational or road use requirements. HX trucks are equipped with MAN's modular, military-specific cab, which is designed for strength, durability, and easy maintenance in combat and field conditions. The interior of the walk-through cab is built mainly from steel and washable vinyl surfaces, making it easy to clean and resistant to damage, dirt, and moisture. Two types of detachable, modular hard roofs are available, allowing the vehicle to be adapted for different mission profiles. The reinforced roof is strong enough to support the weight of 2 fully equipped soldiers and can tolerate the recoil forces of a .50 caliber heavy machine gun when mounted in a roof ring. A riot protection kit is also available for the cab when required. Inside the factory, an overhead crane system is used to lift and move the heaviest components of the truck cab safely and efficiently. Workers use specialized mechanical manipulators, controlled by handheld units, to precisely position and assemble major truck components during the build process. Here, 2 employees carefully attach and align the truck cab doors as part of the detailed assembly work. Now the main assembly line begins, where the chassis and wheel assemblies are almost completely finished and prepared for final integration. The connection of the cab to the chassis is known on the factory floor as the marriage. First, the cab is lowered onto the chassis along with the engine assembly. Once the cab and chassis are aligned, they are securely bolted together, and the windows are installed. A sealing compound is applied around the windows, and all components are properly fastened and secured to the frame to ensure durability and weather resistance. The vehicle is now marked with the Bundeswehr flag, identifying it as part of Germany's military inventory. The Bundeswehr is the unified armed forces of the Federal Republic of Germany and is responsible for national defense as well as international military missions. The Bundeswehr is divided into both a military branch and a civilian support branch, which work together to maintain operations, logistics, and infrastructure. The military component consists of the German Army, German Navy, German Air Force, Joint Support Service, Joint Medical Service, and the Cyber and Information Domain Service, covering both traditional and modern warfare capabilities. Each truck is marked with the Rheinmetall logo and assigned a unique serial number, allowing it to be tracked, serviced, and maintained throughout its service life. Rheinmetall is the largest defense manufacturer in Germany and ranks as the fifth largest defense company in Europe, playing a major role in military vehicle and weapons development. The steering wheel is now installed and tightened into place using a precision torque wrench to ensure safety and reliability. Centered on the steering wheel is the classic MAN Company logo, the well-known German truck manufacturer that works closely with Rheinmetall in producing these vehicles. As you can see, routing and installing the electrical wiring is one of the most complex and challenging parts of the entire production process, due to the large number of electronic systems inside the vehicle. Rheinmetall manufactures a wide range of armored fighting vehicles and armored personnel carriers, available in both wheeled and tracked versions for different battlefield and support roles. The name Rheinmetall comes from the German words Rhine, Rhine River, and a metal, metal, and loosely translates to the Rhine metal. Rheinmetall is a major industrial company that was founded in 1889 and has grown into a global defense and automotive technology leader. Today, the company employs more than 33,000 people worldwide, with manufacturing and research facilities in multiple countries. Factory workers are now gradually installing the front grille assemblies and additional wiring, carefully aligning each part for proper fit and function. This truck is powered by the robust MAN D2868 turbocharged, 8-cylinder diesel engine. This engine produces approximately 670 horsepower, delivering the heavy pulling power needed for demanding military logistics and transport missions. The cab of this truck is thoroughly tested for water resistance before final assembly. During this process, high-pressure water jets are sprayed over the cab to simulate heavy rain and harsh weather conditions, ensuring the vehicle remains sealed and protected. For clarity, the HX range of trucks was originally developed and produced by MAN Nutsfahrzeug, but the current umbrella company responsible for manufacturing them is now Rheinmetall MAN Military Vehicles. This vehicle features a low-torsion ladder frame, specifically designed to handle extreme off-road conditions while carrying very heavy loads. It is equipped with heavy-duty steel bumpers to provide the strength and durability required for military-grade reliability. While jets of water are sprayed over the cab, a worker sits inside to closely inspect the seals and check for any signs of leaks or moisture intrusion. The truck also uses long-lasting, rubber-mounted suspension springs, along with large shock absorbers and stabilizers, helping to improve ride comfort and reduce fatigue for the crew during long missions. The cab can be fitted with Rheinmetall's integrated armored cabin system, which provides a high level of ballistic and blast protection for military personnel. After installing the armored cab, the transporter weighs approximately 59,500 pounds. It is capable of hauling different types of trailers with a useful load of up to 161,000 pounds, and the truck's maximum combined vehicle weight can reach around 286,600 pounds. This truck is specifically designed to transport modern main battle tanks across rough and uneven terrain. RMMV was formed in 2010 through the merger of the military truck division of MAN Nutsfahrzeug and Rheinmetall's wheeled military vehicle business, combining the strengths of both companies. This versatile, all-wheel drive truck can reach a top speed of about 55 miles per hour and can climb extremely steep slopes with grades of up to 60%, demonstrating impressive off-road capability. It also has an operational driving range of around 500 miles on a full tank. Engine performance testing is now being carried out on a dynamometer, which allows engineers to measure power, torque, and efficiency in a controlled environment. Dyno testing is one of the most effective ways to evaluate a truck's performance, ensuring it meets strict quality and reliability standards before delivery. Finally, factory workers paint the exterior of each truck according to customer specifications, applying military-grade coatings in the exact color scheme ordered. Final quality control includes polishing the exterior body panels and carefully inspecting the entire surface for any unevenness, imperfections, or paint flaws before the vehicle is approved for delivery. Interestingly, this Rheinmetall production facility is located close to the center of Vienna, Austria, making it one of the few heavy military vehicle factories operating near a major European capital. Unlike commercial car factories that produce hundreds of thousands of vehicles every year, this plant operates on a much smaller, specialized scale and can only manufacture a few hundred military trucks annually, focusing on precision and military-grade quality. Chassis inspection and wheel alignment are critical steps in the manufacturing process, ensuring the truck drives straight, handles properly, and performs reliably both on highways and in rough off-road conditions. The cab of this military truck can tilt forward, similar to many commercial heavy-duty trucks, allowing easier access to the engine and mechanical components for faster maintenance and repairs. In 2024, Rheinmetall signed a major agreement with Lithuania to build a new artillery ammunition manufacturing plant, marking a significant expansion of the company's industrial footprint in Eastern Europe. The HX-81 military truck is approximately 30 feet long and features a 4-seat driver's cab that accommodates the driver plus 3 additional crew members. In recent years, the number of employees and the annual production output at Rheinmetall have grown significantly, reflecting the increasing global demand for advanced military equipment. This growth is largely driven by increased defense spending by European Union countries, as well as the heightened focus on military readiness following the war in Ukraine. The truck is equipped with a powerful integrated winch system that can generate up to 40 tons of pulling force, allowing it to recover disabled vehicles and pull heavy equipment onto trailers. The vehicle is designed to operate either as a semi-trailer tractor or a dedicated tank transporter and is rated for a maximum combined vehicle and trailer weight of about 286,000 pounds. This extreme load capacity allows it to transport modern main battle tanks across rough, uneven terrain while maintaining stability, control, and reliability in demanding military operations.